What's for dinner? Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very common English phrase, "What's for dinner?" This simple question might seem straightforward, but it's packed with cultural nuances and everyday relevance. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your conversational skills, this video is for you. What's for dinner is a question that people ask to inquire about the meal planned for dinner. Dinner, being one of the main meals of the day, holds a significant place in daily routines across various cultures. This question is not just about food. It's an expression of interest in the upcoming meal, possibly indicating hunger or curiosity about the menu. It's a casual yet essential part of daily conversations in English-speaking households. In many English-speaking countries, dinner is considered the main meal of the day, often shared with family members. Asking, "What's for dinner?" can also be a way of starting a conversation about the day's events, plans, or simply showing appreciation for the person preparing the meal. This phrase reflects the importance of mealtime as a moment for family or friends to come together, share stories, and enjoy each other's company. You can use "What's for dinner?" in various scenarios, from casual to semi-formal. It's commonly heard in households around mealtime but can also be used in planning meetings, gatherings, or when discussing meals over the phone or text messages. Depending on the context, responses might range from detailed descriptions of the meal, a simple mention of the food item, or even an invitation to join the meal. When someone asks you, "What's for dinner?" they're likely expecting a straightforward answer. You can respond by naming the dishes you plan to prepare or have prepared. If you're still deciding or want to surprise your guests, responses like, "It's a surprise," or "You'll see," can add an element of mystery and excitement to the mealtime conversation. Understanding everyday phrases like, "What's for dinner?" can significantly enhance your conversational skills and cultural awareness in English-speaking environments. It's more than just a question about food. It's an invitation to engage, share, and participate in a common cultural practice. We hope this video helps you feel more comfortable and confident in your English language journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.